Ellie read in a newspaper article that 20% of students eat 5 portions of fruit and veg every day. She suggests that the number of people eating at least 5 portions in a sample of size n can be modelled by the binomial distribution n 0.2. There are 10 people in Ellie's class. Using the distributional model suggested by Ellie, find the probability that of the students in her class, first up, 2 or fewer eat at least 5 portions every day. Okay, so we need to define the distribution. So let's just use x again. So x is binomially distributed. This time n is 10 and p is 0.2. Now we want the probability x is less than or equal to 2. So use your calculator, we should get 0.678. Okay, then part 2 wants the probability that at least 1 but fewer than 4 eat at least 5 portions every day. So let's think about that. We want at least 1 but fewer than 4. So we want the probability that x is greater than or equal to 1 but less than 4. So, for x to be less than 4, we want 3, 2, 1 and 0. So that's the probability x is less than or equal to 3. But x has to be at least 1, so it can't be 0. So we subtract the probability x equals 0. Okay, so the probability x is less than or equal to 3 you should get as 0.879 and the probability x equals 0 is 0.107. And that gives us a final answer of 0.772. Okay, and part B. Ellie's teacher, Declan, believes more than 20% of students eat at least 5 portions every day. He asks the 25 students in his other class, and 8 of them say they do. Part 1. Name the sampling method used by Declan. So he has asked relevant people that he has available, so it's opportunity sampling. Given part 2 wants us to describe one weakness to this sampling method. So the 2 big ones I would say are that, first of all, everyone he has sampled is from the same school, so they are all going to be from the same region in the country, so not representative of the whole country. And then the other big one is that 25 students is definitely a very, very small proportion of all students, so again, not representative of all students. Okay then, now part 3 is the test. So, assuming these 25 students may be considered a random sample, carry out a hypothesis test at the 5% significance level to see if Declan's claim is supported by this evidence. Okay, so first up, define the variable. So we are going to let x be the number of students who eat at least 5 portions every day. Next, we need the hypotheses. So the article said 20% of students. So our null hypothesis is going to be p equals 0.2. Now, Declan believes more than that eat at least 5 portions every day. So our alternative hypothesis is going to be p is greater than 0.2. Okay then, next set up the distribution under H0. So, under H0, x is binomially distributed. Now our sample size is 25 and our proportion is 0.2. Now, what we're testing is that when Declan sampled his 25 students, was it more or less likely than 5% that 8 or more of them said yes. So we want to find the probability that x was greater than or equal to 8. So, if this probability is more than 5%, we reject H1. If it's less than 5%, we accept H1. So, to work out this probability, we need to do 1 minus the probability x is less than or equal to 7. So, use your calculator, you want binomial CD, probability x is less than or equal to 7, should be 0.891. So that then gives us 0.109. Which is 10.9%. Now, 10.9% is greater than 5%. So, this tells us to reject H1. Now to get full marks, we need to do one more thing, and that is write a concluding statement. So, something along the lines of, there is no significant evidence to support Declan's claim. Boom. Okay then guys, that's number 3 done, on to number 4. Hope to see you there.